Hi, this is Karen and Archer, and welcome back. Today is just going to be a little bit of question and answer. I've had some comments on my videos, and I just want to kind of touch base for you that I'm kind of going crazy in this quarantine. I hope everybody is well and healthy, and we all get through this soon. But kind of things that I'm working on right now is that I am going to disassemble this old painting that I did in acrylic years ago. I really don't like it. So I'm going to take it out of the frame and sand it down. It is done in acrylic, so I'm going to sand down any brush strokes that are on it. I have just acrylic gesso that I want to put over top of it, and I want to do a still life in oil over it. So we'll see how that goes. That is on a stretch canvas. So one of the rules in painting that you really need to know and follow is that when using acrylic, you can only put oil over acrylic. You cannot put acrylic paints over oil paints. So just so you know, it is acrylic, then oil, if you're doing that. And never use an oil primered canvas or a canvas board for acrylic paint. Now, oil paint's versatile. You can put it over primed oil or acrylic. You just cannot put acrylic over oil. So you know, that's even painting on your walls in your house. You know you cannot put acrylic paint over oil. I mean, it's pretty basic paint stuff. So just making sure you are aware of that. One of the questions I had was about these simple little medicine dispensers that I was using in a video to use for the medium, to remove it from the jar to the pallet cups. All these are medicine dispensers you get with medicine from Walmart. There's no needle or anything that comes with it. It just has little measurements. So you get these free with medicine. So by all means, stop in and get them from Walmart. I haven't been using very much of the linseed oil, but I did. When you get medicine in these dispensers, it comes with the little thing you push down into your medicine bottle. So I just put this in the oil, and you can put it in there, turn it upside down, and use it. So those are free at Walmart. Get them with medicine. I reuse them and rinse them out with Dawn dish liquid, so I don't have to continue to ask for them. Another thing I want to follow up is my primer board video. I sprayed my panel boards with this Rust-Oleum primer. This was a sandable primer, and it really didn't work well in the video. And what ended up happening is that, if you can see this real well, it actually cracked up on my panel. And I've never had this problem before. And I'm going to sand this down and see if I can't save this board. The other one turned out pretty good. I just lightly sanded them. I don't know if I oversprayed or just got a really bad can. One of the things I noticed the difference is I went and got another new can. Rust-Oleum bonding primer. This one is universal primer. This can worked a lot better than this. Not sure what happened, but when I sprayed this, the new can on there, as you can see, it worked really great. So I would definitely do not use the sandable primer and use the universal primer. It works a lot better. So if you are using the car primers on your canvas boards, and there's no canvas on this is straight up board. This is the Amberson board. I usually order them from Dick Blick. You can get them in different sizes. I usually order the 6x8s. I have moved up to the 8x10s to use in my PLEIN AIR box that I use, because it will slide in there. It will slide in there, and you can use it horizontal. It just will not hold in there vertical. I was also asked where I got my thumb box. I've gotten this a couple years ago for Christmas. And it was ordered from U-Trex. I'm trying to get a hold of them to see if they still carry them or not. I did have to add the attachment. Like I said, it's in one of my other videos. I'm not going to show you a whole lot on it. But I am trying to get a hold of the manufacturer and see if they still actually carry them or if that's been discontinued. The one I do have my eye on, though, that I've been kind of window shopping looking at is that U-Go. It's just U.go. And they have a plein air setup that I'm really liking. It's kind of like a clamshell type. And when you close it up, it actually about the size of a laptop. You may want to check that out. It comes in like a small, medium, and large. And really, as far as expense, they're one of the lower end expensive. That may be something I'm looking at because I'm kind of wanting to go up in sizes and have that diversity out there in the field that I can paint bigger if I wanted to paint bigger. I don't know what else I got going on besides going a little crazy like the rest of us. One thing I'm kind of working on, I'm not doing a video on it, but every artist, I think, comes to the point where you do a self-portrait. I took some pictures and playing with my new phone, it had a portrait app on it under my camera. And I took a couple pictures of that. So this is just the beginning stage. I thought I'd show you. So it's just the tone, the no tan stage of it. I don't know how much it's going to actually turn out looking like me, but since I have plenty of time on my hands, I'm going to do that. So a little challenge for you if you're out there wondering something to start on. Try your own self-portrait. Check me out on Facebook and friend request me and tag me in a post of your portrait that you painted of yourself. I like to check it out. I'm on Facebook and Instagram if you want to friend request me, and I am making me to-do list every day to keep myself busy and occupied. So that's it for today. If you have any other questions or concerns or comments, please feel free to leave them. Don't forget to support my channel by liking and subscribing. And as always, keep painting.